Hello, today we will guide you through how to verify Gumroad account. To get started, open your web browser and go to Gumroad. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your account, products, and payment details. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to the correct account, since account verification is tied directly to your seller profile and payment setup. Once you are on the Gumroad dashboard, look toward the lower left area of the screen for your Profile Account section. This is where you can access your personal account options and important settings. Click on your profile account to open the menu. If you do not immediately see it, give yourself a moment to scan the sidebar carefully, as the layout can look slightly different depending on your screen size or device. After the menu opens, click on Settings. This is the section where Gumroad stores the main controls for your account information, preferences, and payout-related details. Opening settings is an important part of the process because verification is typically managed through your account and payment configuration rather than from the main dashboard view. Inside Settings, click on Payments. This area contains the information related to how you receive money from sales, and it is also where verification requirements are usually shown. In many cases, platforms like Gumroad ask creators to verify identity or payment details to help keep accounts secure and ensure payouts are processed correctly. From there, follow the on-screen procedure. Gumroad will guide you through the exact verification steps required for your account. Depending on your region or account status, you may be asked to review your payment details, confirm business or personal information, or complete an identity verification process. It is important to read each prompt carefully and enter accurate information so the verification can be completed smoothly. As you go through the process, take your time and make sure everything matches your official details where required. If something seems unclear, pause and review the instructions shown on the page before moving forward. That can help prevent delays or errors. Once you finish the on-screen steps, your account verification request should be submitted or completed, depending on Gumroad's process for your account. If additional review is needed, Gumroad may take some time to confirm your information. That's it. You have now seen how to access the verification area for your Gumroad account and complete the process through the payment settings.